It's quieter today.
It's early.
We usually come early.
Not this early.
Feels nice, though.
Yes, the air is fresh.
My knees don't agree.
They never do.
I think they're getting worse.
You say that every week.
Because it feels like it.
You're still walking fine.
Slowly.
Slow is still walking.
You always find a way to argue.
I call it correcting.
That's a nicer word.
It sounds better.
You had practice.
Years of it.
We need milk.
We just bought milk.
That was 2 days ago.
It's still there.
It's almost finished.
I didn't see that.
Because you didn't check.
I looked this morning.
You opened the fridge and closed it.
That counts as checking.
Not really.
All right, we'll get milk.
And bread.
We have bread.
It's stale.
It's still bread.
We're getting fresh one.
You always win these arguments.
Because I'm right.
You're prepared.
It's cooler today.
Yes, finally.
Yesterday was too warm.
You say that every summer.
Because it feels hotter every year.
Maybe we're just getting older.
That's also true.
At least evenings are nice.
Yes, I like this time.
It's quiet.
Not completely.
Just enough noise.
Feels peaceful.
You say that when you're sleepy.
I might be a little sleepy.
You always are after tea.
It's relaxing.
You'll fall asleep here.
Then wake me up.
I always do.